This is our new show van. We put a lot of cool stuff on here. Let's check it out. So starting on the exterior upgrades, right here we've got the 17-inch black Rhino Outback wheels with the BFG KO3 all-terrain tires on here. And then moving over, we've got our Geotrek running boards, which are super crucial in an all-wheel drive Sprinter. They come with a factory lift kit, so that first step without them is really high. Moving around to the back, we've got our brand new Geotrek ski box. This thing is sweet. So you can fit all of your skis in here, snowboards, all of your gear. You don't want to get dirty in the van and everything like that. Just put it out here. And then we've got our Geotrek side ladder, which is great for cleaning off your solar panels. And then up on the top, we've got our Geotrek roof rack, which just looks great. Moving on into the interior now, we've got a ton of upgrades in here. We've got our max air fan up front. We've got the AC system in the back. That's gonna be paired to our 10 kilowatt hour power system. You're gonna have no problems running that AC system off grid. We've got our bench seat with lagoon table here. This pops underneath the garage, gets out of the way super easy. And then your toilet is gonna fit in here perfectly. And then we've got our counter cubby right here. This is a great divider separating the kitchen from the sleeping area a little bit more. We've also got our hot water heater underneath here, going back to the outdoor shower as well as the sink here. And then we've got our 5-gallon gray water tank underneath here with a line that's you can connect to that dumps below the van as well. So you can kind of choose whether to hold on to your gray water or just dump it below the van. In the Albatross layout here, we've got our classic north-south bed here. This is gonna be 6 foot 2 inches north-south. So you're gonna have tons of space for comfortably sleeping 2 people. Moving to the garage here, we've got our massive garage space, easily gonna be able to fit 2 bikes. Got our outdoor shower. That's gonna be hooked up to our hot water heater up there. This just pulls out and hooks onto a little suction cup mount right there. Now you're showering. Got our rear awning style windows. These are awesome for getting extra ventilation by the bed. So they just pop out. You can easily use them in the rain. They can go all the way out to almost 90 degrees. And then you've got a drop down bug screen that deploys as well. If you're looking to get your own off-grid ready adventure van, come check us out at geotrekvans.com. Get in touch with some of our van experts and get the process started.